these clips, we're going to talk about the proper way to perform a 5-wheel tire rotation. In this clip, we're going to talk about reloading the vehicle suspension with our floor jack and removal of our jack stand and setting the front of the vehicle down. Pretty much what I'm going to do is place my floor jack in exactly the same location I had it to raise the vehicle in order to take the load off of my jack stand so I can release it and slide it out of the way. I'm going to take and set my floor jack on the control arm and give it a couple pumps. Once I have the vehicle off of the jack stand, I can flip the release handle, which is right here. Slide my jack stand out from under it. Right there. I'm going to take my jacking handle, set it on the release screw, and let the pressure off. You're not going to want to let the pressure off all at once. You're going to want to seat it very slowly. Once you have it released, slide your floor jack out of the way. And that is the proper way to remove the jack stand from under the vehicle. You're going to want to repeat the same procedure for the rear of the vehicle. Put your floor jack exactly where you had it before. Release the pressure off of your jack stand. Flip the jack stand's release handle. I'll give you a quick demonstration. You can adjust your jack stand to the height of where you have it. This is the release handle. As you watch, as I apply upward pressure, the jack stand will collapse. Once it collapses, you can slide it out from the location that you had it in.